Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dyna Jump in Brawl Stars. Dyna Jump is Dynamike's first star power, a powerful ability that lets him launch himself into the air by detonating a bomb right at his feet. This isn't just for show. It completely changes how you can play Dynamike, allowing you to cross gaps, escape danger, and even surprise opponents. Understanding this core mechanic is your first step to mastering this explosive brawler. Mastering the Dyna Jump requires precision and practice. The trick is to aim your regular attack exactly at your current position. As the bomb lands, it will explode, launching Dynamike. It takes a bit of timing to get it right, so don't get discouraged if you don't nail it immediately. Head into the training cave or a friendly match and dedicate some time to practicing this specific maneuver until it feels natural and consistent. Once you've got the basic jump down, you can start exploring advanced maneuvers. Dyna Jump is fantastic for escaping sticky situations, letting you leap over walls to safety or dodge incoming enemy supers. You can also use it to quickly cross parts of the map, like water or other obstacles, giving you a significant speed advantage. For offensive plays, try jumping onto an unsuspecting enemy or over their projectiles to land a direct hit. You can even combine it with your super for explosive entries. To truly excel with Dyna Jump, always be aware of your surroundings. Knowing when to jump and when to simply walk is vital. Try to predict where your enemies will move or shoot, allowing you to perfectly time your jump to avoid damage or land a strategic blow. While powerful, remember that Dyna Jump isn't always the answer. Sometimes conserving your attack for damage is more effective. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a master of this dynamic ability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.